Melon reviews.
Yay.
Ticking.
Tick, 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 tick.
We're doing another vlog. It's not about the video and stuff, and yeah. I was at Postmaster's house, and that's why I'm here right now. Please go over there, and she has her own channel, Postmaster, and please subscribe to her channel and mine. She already did some videos already with us. We were doing I'm gonna do a sneak peek right now. I'm gonna tell you one of them. I did. What did we do? Oh yes, we were doing a Minecraft video, and that's it. And there's more to see. Just please subscribe here and subscribe here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. And you know the clock bit? If you see the clock bit on this video, yep, that's at her house. Bye.